To make a latte without an espresso machine, first brew a pot of strong black coffee. Then fill a microwave-safe jar or dish halfway with milk. Put the lid on the jar, then shake it to froth the milk inside. Take the lid off and microwave the milk for 30 seconds. Next, pour the black coffee into a mug and pour the hot milk in while holding the foam back with a spoon. Finally, spoon the foam onto the top of your latte and enjoy. To make a latte with an espresso machine, first, brew a double shot of espresso and pour it into your mug or glass. Then, fill your frothing pitcher 1/3 of the way with milk and steam the milk using the steaming wand on your machine until it has about doubled in size. Finally, slowly pour the steamed milk and foam into your mug with the espresso.